What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll show you step by step on how to draw robot chicken. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of the page with the beak. We're going to start with a point. Now I'm just going to bend the left side going out and then down towards the side. Go back up towards the middle, go out and then down on the right. Now I want to bend the center of the beak coming in and then down towards the middle. Let's tuck the bottom of the beak underneath. From these 2 points, bend this down and then in towards the center. Now over on the left side, we're going to draw a large circle for the eye. Let's start right against the edge of the beak. We're going to go all the way around, come down, and then back in. Let's trace this circle along the inside. So we're going to start from the very top. Add that trim going all the way around. Let's line up the center over on the right side and draw a smaller circle for the eye. And we'll draw a small circle in the center for the pupil. And we'll fill that in black. Now in the center, we're going to go all the way up towards the top and add the hair. Let's start with a curve. We're going to draw a half circle coming down and then up. On the left side, we're going to bend this up and over towards the right. And I'll bring that in and then down towards the right side. Let's add a layer in behind. We're going to start from the left side, bend this around, up, and then over. And then we'll just tuck that in on top. Now from the center, we're going to draw a straight angled line coming down and out towards the inside of the left eye. Let's continue down towards the cheek. I'm just going to angle this down and out toward the left side of the head. Now I want to go in behind the hair on the left side and draw a curve for the head. We're going to go out, around the eye, come down, and then in. Now we're just going to line this up over on the right side, add some fur going all the way around the head. We're going to start up here, going out, and then down. Let's add a point. Another curve coming around, and down, and add another point. Now I'm going to bring this around the cheek. Coming down and then in, add a point, add one more point coming down and in. Now to come down underneath the beak and then up underneath on the left side. So come down and just tuck that up underneath. Let's add some rivets on the left side of the head. We're going to start from the top, draw a small half circle, step down, draw that again. Let's add some seams going around the left side of the head. We're going to start from the top, and go down towards the top of the eye. From the bottom, come down, and go straight out. Now I want to layer the collar underneath the head. We're going to start over on the left, then it's down and then in. Go over towards the right, do the same thing. Now from the inside, draw a short angled line going up and in, and then we'll close off the top. Let's add a second layer. From the side, come around, and then in. Angle this up and in. And then flatten off the top. Now I'm going to separate the body in half. Starting right in the middle, draw a straight line coming down. Angle this down and out towards the right. And then come down towards the bottom of the body. Let's go over towards the right side of the collar. We're going to curve the body going around and then back in towards the bottom. Go out, down, and then in. Let's tuck the left side of the body in behind. So we're just going to line up the top. Just going to add some fur going out and down. Add that point. Add a second point along the bottom. Now I just want to tuck this down and then in behind on the right side. Let's add a large circle on the right side of the body. And I'll trace this along the inside, leaving a small trim on the inside. Let's add some seams across the middle. Starting from the top, angle this up and in, go straight down from the bottom. And then just underneath the collar, bend this out and then down, angle this up and out. Now we're going to draw the feathered wing over on the left side. Start from the side of the collar, bend this out and down. Let's add a point. Let's add one more point. Come down towards the tip of the wing. Now we want to bend this up and then in towards the side of the body. Now over on the right side, we're going to draw a half circle going all the way around for the hinge of the shoulder. And I'll trace that along the inside. Let's go to the outside, curve this out and then down. Draw a straight angled line coming in, and then we'll follow that same curve coming in towards the side of the body. Let's add a trim across the bottom. Now we're going to move down and draw a circle tucked in underneath. Draw a small circle in the center. And then from the bottom, curve the wing coming down and in. Bend this out and up. Let's tuck the top half of the legs underneath the body. We're going to start from the left, curve this down, and then bend that up, leaving a gap in the center. Move over towards the right and do that again. Coming down and then up. Let's add a seam on the left side coming down, and then in the middle, angle this up and out. Now we're going to tuck the leg in underneath on the right side. So we're going to start from the bottom, bend this out and down. Let's draw the first toe coming in, round this out, and go up. Now you're going to draw two toes going out towards the side. So we're going to bend this out and then down, round out the toe, come up, and then in. Let's layer the second toe along the outside going out and then in on top. And then from here, bend the leg coming in and then up underneath the leg. Now we're going to add the metal leg on the left side. Start with two straight lines coming down towards the ankle, and then we'll round up the bottom. From the inside of the ankle, bend the foot coming in and then down. Draw a straight line going all the way out towards the first toe. From the outside, we curve the foot going up and then down. Let's layer a second toe in behind. So from this tip, we're going to step up, go straight out, go up, and then down. Let's go back to the outside of the ankle, curve the foot going out, and then down. Now we're going to go back and add a few small details around the metal. So we're going to start with some rivets. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's a cartoon illustration of Robot Chicken. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. You can also check out our other channels. I'll leave the links for you in the description below. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.